Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because, good job Watson, it is Stitch Fix Day. So I know it has been a little bit since I have filmed one, but if you've not watched me before, I'm Nikki and I like to do Stitch Fix unboxings and try-ons. I actually was a stylist for the company almost 6 months ago now, and I still use the services, and I think that's all I'm going to say about that. So this time, for my fix, I put in my note that I would like a full outfit built around a pair of boyfriend jeans and then like a bag and shoes, the whole 9 yards. And so I actually did peek, so I know what is in here. However, I have not seen it in person and I am excited to open it for you today. So right off the bat, I see that I have a pair of shoes, so I'm going to start with those. I actually haven't had very many shoes in my fixes recently, and I love shoes, so this is a good thing. So, okay. So I'm not a huge fan of flats of anything. Okay, here we go. All right. But look at these shoes. Aren't they cute? They are, you know, sandals. They're by DV8, and it is this kind of leather, cognac leather, but then there's just this one little strap of calf hair with a little bit of the leopard print on it, and I think it adds such a cute detail. So I'm excited to try these on, although I never seem to like myself in flats, even though these are really cute. So, and I also did ask, oh, look, matches my shirt, for kind of some neutral tones as well. So the shoes, and okay, this looks to be a pair of boyfriend jeans. Democracy, the, okay, I didn't have my glasses on. It's either Lulu or Luca. Distressed Capri Slim Straight Leg Jean. Capri Slim Straight Leg Jean. Okay, so these are by Democracy. And this is, I think, a pair of boyfriend jeans. I think they're really cute. They look kind of big to me, but I don't typically wear this style, so I know they're meant to be kind of loose, so excited to try those on. Okay, next was this shirt. This is by, okay, All in Favor. He's got my foot down there. Okay, so this is this black, it's just a button-up shirt with 3/4 length sleeves with this button here, which is not functional. So the button on the sleeves is not functional. It's just there for looks, and it has that little cap sleeve. And so when I saw this, when I peeked, I just really didn't like it because I don't wear button-down shirts, and I don't know why. So I'm going to give this a chance, but this is not something I would have picked out for myself. However, look at how cute it's going to be with these shoes and those pants. So I'm already thinking this is going to be great. Okay, next is, okay, this is a black sleeveless FUNFUN top. I don't know what it's called. I will tell you later. But this has kind of that crochet lace in the front. I don't know if you can see that detail on the back. It is 100% polyester, which is not my favorite fabric, but I will always give it a shot. I think I have a knit shirt that's very similar to this though, so I will give it a shot, and I can see that that is another alternate to the black shirt there. And then last but not least, okay, there's a purse. This is by Soul Society, and I don't know where the rest of the information is. Okay, this is Soul Society handbags, the Deanna Satchel in cognac. Okay, so it's got, I don't know if you can see it there, it's got the handles, but there is also a crossbody strap in here, I can see. It also, excuse me Watson, pardon me please for one moment. Seriously. It has a really cute like leopard liner inside. So yeah, I'm going to try this on. I don't try this on. I'm not going to try this on. I will try carrying this around while I'm wearing clothes. Okay? Alright, so I think this could be a really fun outfit. I'm going to try everything on. I will try the button-down shirt, the shoes, the pants, and the bag. And then I will try that other sleeveless black top. And then I will come back here, sit down, and kind of ask for your feedback and tell you what I think I'm going to do. Alright, soon. Okay, I had to bring the bag again. Okay, so here's the shirt. Watson, for real. So it does have the... Excuse me. This is what it's like living with a Great Dane with a high level of anxiety. I don't know what he's anxious about. He has a very good life. Okay, anyway, this is a shirt, and it is the see-through lace at the top. It does go quite low. You can see that. So I'm not certain about that. It is that material that I don't love. More blousey than I typically prefer. But I think it's cute, and these pants are so big. This is how they're supposed to be. Somebody tell me if this is normal. They're comfortable, but yeah, I don't know that I love them with this shirt. But so here, yeah, this is that look. Okay, so this is the whole outfit that she put together. So this is the Soul Society bag. Excuse me, Watson. May I? Okay. So this is the Soul Society bag again. The color is really cute. The only thing I do see is that there are some wrinkles in it that I can't seem to get out even when I try to reshape it. And so I don't know. Any tips on what you do with that, or do I just need to send it back because these wrinkles are there, which again, I don't know if you can see. But I like the color and I like the style and I like that it's a handbag and I don't think it's too huge. So I think this is really cute. Okay, so that's my handbag. All right, next are the shoes, which are going to be difficult for you to see because of my 157-pound dog. Actually, maybe bigger now. But these are the shoes, and I think they're so cute, and I hope you can see them. Also, with that cute little, that's not a good shot, but this little shiny leopard. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. So that's how they look. And they're comfortable, and you know, at first I thought they were a bigger size or a little bit too big because there's more room down at the end for your feet to go. Next are the jeans. So the jeans are these boyfriend jeans. They're really comfortable. However, they're very loose on me. Like, I don't know if they're supposed to be that way. I mean, they're not gonna completely fall off, but they definitely feel loose, and I don't know if that's the style. But those are the jeans. You can see those. I don't know what I think about them. So I'd love your feedback on those. And then last but not least is this shirt. I don't know. This is really difficult with my dog right here. So it has these, like I said, these tabs so that you can keep the sleeves at, it's not really a 3/4 length, is it? Half length. So it's really lightweight material. I like it. It's comfortable, and I think it's something I might wear. So, what do you think, first of all, about the whole look? I think she did a really great job picking out a cute and casual outfit, which is what I asked for. And also keeping it kind of in the neutral color scheme, adding a few fun details, which I love. So, I guess I will try on the other shirt as well. But yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, I just wanted to try this with these leopard booties that I found. I just wanted to try this with these boots or booties because I thought they would look really cute. So, no, you can't even see them from there. So this is how it looks. I already looked at this, and I believe I already told you that Erin styled it, but I want to give a shout out to Erin because I think she did a fantastic job putting this fix together. I think it is such a fun outfit. So now we're gonna look at prices. So we start out with these sandals, which I'm pretty much straight up gonna keep because they're comfortable and I like them, and I think they're gonna go with so much of my wardrobe. It tends to be tans and blacks and such. I like just a little bit of a pattern on them. So those are $59. The Democracy Distress Capri Slim Straight Leg Jeans, which I feel like are sort of a boyfriend fit, these are $78. So I think I like those, but I'm not sure. So again, that's another thing I would really like feedback on. I think $78 is pretty much what I pay for jeans most of the time through Stitch Fix, so I'm not surprised by the price, but just curious as to what you think about them. And so then the Soul Society Deanna Satchel in Cognac, this one is $64.95. Yeah, I'm just not sure about these folds, but I might see if I can exchange it for a different one because I really like the color and the size of that one. So this is the FUNFUN Torrance Lace Detailed Sleeveless Blouse in black. This is $38. So this is not my favorite. I would not choose to keep this one probably because I said I have a similar top in a knit material. I don't love this material. However, it is $38. And if I do decide to keep this all in favor, Carisha 2-pocket top, which is $44. If I decided to keep the jeans, the purse, this top, and the shoes, my total for all of these things is $283.95. If I buy all and get the 25% discount of $70.99, the total would be $212.96. Which means I would be forced to keep this shirt that's $38 and technically also forced to keep this shirt, if I am correct. So I would love your feedback and thank you so much for watching. If you've not already done so, please subscribe. I know we haven't been doing these videos as much recently and Watson is a little bit quieter right now. Watson, are you a little quieter? Yeah. So, I don't know why that even matters that he's quiet, but we'll make sure that we get... if you've not already done so, you should try the service and you can use my referral code to get a discount and I will also get a discount, but you also do not have to use my referral code because everyone who uses the service gets one. So use someone else's if you like, because I just do these because I love watching other people do them and I think it's fun. And this one was actually a pretty fun fix for me. I would love your feedback. When you're lost and can't find the way.